Whoa! Did you see that?
Yeah. Whoa, what's that?
Welcome back, everybody. Dan and Alice here. We're going to be doing a bit of harvesting. A bird just flew about 1 inch from my face.
I don't know what kind of bird is that.
That was a good start to this video, though. We got a lot to harvest back here today. Honey, what's the first thing that you want to grab from the garden?
Patola.
Patola. Let's go over there. Patola, for those of you that don't know, is the Tagalog name for Luffa Gourd. And you've been harvesting from this plant quite a bit, right?
Yeah, you said Patola in Tagalog, Luffa in Tagalog, Patola in Tagalog, Luffa in English.
Oh, sorry. Okay. But you've harvested quite a few of these.
Yeah.
Most of them around this size or even a little smaller?
A little bit smaller or this one, but I know it because it's so soft.
So this size is good for eating, right?
Yes, yes.
So you're going to harvest that one for eating, and then we're going to also show them an example of a mature one that we can harvest for the sponge. So if you're not familiar, Luffa Gourd, most people are familiar with that. Luffa sponge actually is grown from this vining crop here, which has a history of growing quite wild and vigorously, but I just used this homemade tomato cage and grew a couple plants in the middle of it, and it did a great job just holding this plant all together and producing lots of gourds for us. But we are going to harvest one gourd at least for cooking today, and then also she's going to harvest a mature gourd with the sponge that we can also collect seeds from.
But you still have some more honey over there.
Let's see.
Yeah.
So another amazing thing about this plant.
One, but it should be a little bit bigger, and it is ready. But I have to. This one too.
So this plant has really not been watered hardly at all, and it's showing. I mean, you can see the drying out of some of the leaves, and I'm going to give it some water today because it is still producing. But it is quite amazing how much we've gotten from this plant with virtually no input, no fertilizer. It's growing on the edge of this hugelkultur, so roots are able to expand out into the mound. Go ahead and pull your harvest, babe.
Do you want me to harvest for my miswa?
Yeah.
Have to cut miswa first.
Alice knows more about this crop than me because you grew this in the Philippines, right?
Yes. I grew up before. So this one is my
That's for your miswa?
Yeah.
Miswa is a noodle dish, right?
Yes, noodle dish. And
Look how dry it is down there. You see the crack?
yeah, if it is
Super dry.
If it is dry like this, and next year, because we have to get the seeds, after I take out the seeds, and then for the sponge.
So this is a fully mature gourd. It's super lightweight. It's like air.
Yeah. Hear that?
Yeah.
So there is some more that later, maybe after 1 month, we're gonna get more seeds. So the one I'm doing this is to clean that one, take out the seeds, and then, you know, the sponge, I have to use it for my...
Well, we need to open one of those on camera for them.
Yeah.
But before we do that, you want to try this fig over here? This single fig growing on this Violet de Bordeaux?
Is it ready to eat?
Yeah.
This one you don't plant, right?
I did plant, yes.
Oh.
It's just a very young
very
fig tree.
soft.
Yeah. Violet de Bordeaux, compact size fig tree, only gets about 8 feet tall. And you can see it's growing a bunch of little sprouts here at the base, which is nice because I want this to grow out like more of a bush rather than just like a tree. That way we get more fruit.
So I think this one is... Wow, it's very nice. Only one. All the bite.
Yeah. Yep, you get
But
you get the reward.
I wanna eat it, the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. Sarap.
Masarap.
Masarap means very good.
Delicious.
Let's look in this hole at the end here. So you can see the sponge in there.
I have to cover it to shake. You hear it?
Yeah. Doesn't get much easier than that to harvest seeds.
It's fun, huh?
That's abundance.
Wow. I don't want to cut it. I want the whole thing for my sponge, so it's big.
So there you go, guys. Grow your own sponges at home easily by growing Luffa Gourd. There's the hole.
Moon.
Looks like a banana.
For me it's like a moon. Okay, then I will put right here. It's fine. This one is a baby, doesn't grow all the block.
So that only took a few minutes. We got a couple sponges. Alice got her dinner for tonight, her miswa, and also a bunch of seeds so that we can grow even more of these plants next year. It's a good job, honey.
Yeah, it's a lot. And then we have to harvest more next month for the sponge and for the dinner again.
So we'll let a few more go to maturity.
Yeah,
And then,
because I see it is still some more over there for next month.
how about if you cut one of these, open these younger ones so that they can see what a younger one looks like on the inside?
Yeah, this one is perfect.
Yeah, so this is perfect for eating.
But supposed to be a little bit bigger.
And this one, you can still eat it, but it's a little mature, right?
Yeah, I still can cook it. But compared to this one is this better.
Mm-hmm.
That's it for now.
So that's it for now, everybody. We are going to continue our harvest, but we'll have a part 2 to this video tomorrow for you guys. So Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're having a great day. Until next time, this is Dan and Alice from
Planabundance.com.
I meant to let you say your name, but that'll work. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.